Today on Designing Spaces, we're in California with a family as they make good use of the abundant sunlight. Then, the hunt for a perfect neighborhood, a young couple's new home search. Later, how filtered water makes better tasting lemonade, plus a backyard transformation. All that and more on Designing Spaces, and it all starts right now.
Hi, we're the Douglas family, and we're solar powered!
My name is Cammie. This is my 12-year-old son, Brant, 21-year-old daughter, Haley, and 15-year-old daughter, Kirsten. This is us. We're really excited that we have solar. It's been a great change in our lives. When we first moved to California, our first power bill was $600, and that was really shocking to us. That's when we first said, we really need to look into getting solar. We've done a lot of research on different places, different companies we wanted to use. Our neighbor had actually used the same installer that we ended up going with, highly recommended him, had great things to say, so we went ahead and used them.
We're so happy that the Douglases are enjoying their solar panels. Jinko Solar has been the world's largest selling solar panel since 2016. We're publicly traded on the New York Stock Exchange and have certified the highest performing panels in the world. That's really led us to have reliability and trust from our customers. There's many different factors of what makes a perfect solar house. In the Douglases' case, they have a huge roof that is exposed to sun throughout the majority of the day. They also are constantly doing stuff with their huge family, so their electricity bill is pretty large.
There's always constantly loads of laundry being done. Softball gets your clothes really, really dirty. Laundry is a great thing to have solar panels for because it's always constant.
On the house behind us, we have Mono Perk modules. These are in the 60 cell designed for residential capacity. The Mono Perk is a special panel that is going to increase your efficiency, so you can only put a few panels on the roof and you're still going to get a lot more energy coming from the panels themselves.
It's been great. Our bills went down, down, down. One of our first bills we got was $30, and this last month we didn't pay any. That was exciting.
It's actually gotten a lot easier for homeowners to go solar. With the different financing options, as well as the lower cost of goods, your payback period is a lot quicker than it used to be.
Even after our loan, we're still money ahead, so it's been fun to figure out ways to use that money.
The Douglases have only lived here for a few months, but they've already seen a return on investment from their Jinko solar panels.
Our solar is paying for itself.
Jinko has incorporated DuPont's premium product line in order to protect our modules for the 25-year warranty. They actually invented nylon and Kevlar, so you know they're good with durable and reliable products. Our panels are the only panels that are field proven to deliver long-term performance and lasting value.
One of the things we worried about when we were talking about doing solar is we've heard of the solar panels malfunctioning. We thought, you know what, with the money that we'd like to save, we wanted to go ahead, so we went for it. We've never had a single problem. And also knowing that Jinko has a 25-year warranty, we didn't feel like we had anything to worry about.
Jinko has partnered with Maxim Integrated in order to solve the shading issue, as well as any issue with a complex roof or even a small roof. The chip itself, as you can see, is the size of a dime and comes embedded in our panels. With that, it means that you can install the panels like any other normal panel without any special training, and you get all the optimization, all the benefits without having any knowledge of it. Everything in the Douglases' house is being powered by solar. From their video games, the microwave, the TV for family night, even the hot tub under these cool California night skies. Everything is being run on solar. For future homeowners that are wondering if their house is going to be right for solar or not, Jinko has advanced technology where we're able to produce a lot of power on their roof from both cold climates, warm climates, shady, small roofs, or even complex roofs. We're able to get the most bang for their buck out of the panels. Now that the Douglases are solar powered, they're able to take all that savings and spend it on even more activities with each other.
With the money that we're saving, we want to put back into the house and do some upgrades. We've saved enough money, we were able to put in a new pool pump and start on the bathrooms and putting that money back into our home to make it the way that we love it.
When you get Jinko Solar on your roof, you're going to get trusted technology with reliable products, all backed by an industry-leading company and its partners.
Steve and Brittany are always on the go.
Perfect. You know, we have an active lifestyle. You know, we like to go on bike rides, you know, into yoga.
So we're actually living in an apartment downtown, and it's a nice area. It's a nice place, and we have our little dog Scooby, and so he's a pretty active little guy. So yeah, we're looking for something maybe a little bit more spacious.
Tired of spending their money on rent, they've added house hunting to their weekend routine.
We've been doing a lot of online research, and we drive around a lot of different neighborhoods, you know, trying to see, like, you know, is this going to be where we can eat, where we can go, you know, have fun.
Yeah, I think we definitely look at the area first and kind of see if there's things around. You know, if you're owning something, it's yours and it's going to be something long term, so you want to make sure that the location is right. Our friend, she just got a place. She definitely inspired us to take that next step. I knew that she went through US Bank to get her loan, and that was super important for us to actually have a referral. And for me, going out on our own for the first time, we really wanted somebody who had a positive experience.
Once they visited the U.S. Bank loan portal, they were assigned Lenny, their dedicated home loan officer.
So the process is very simple with the U.S. Bank. I sent a link to Brittany and Steve. It was as simple as 1, 2, 3. They were able to log into the system, pull up the link, and then follow the prompts. The best thing about this is it gives you the freedom and the flexibility to give us the documents that we may need at any time.
We didn't really know what we could afford, so the US Bank loan portal really helped us out with that.
Yeah, we were able to fill out the application, and within a day, we were able to know what our range was.
It was really exciting because just like that, we felt like we were on our way.
This is where the information that was sent to us earlier really comes into play, because we now can take that information and that documentation that was already uploaded and get it over to our underwriting team and then get the approval process going.
After looking around online a little bit, we decided to get a realtor, and they were super excited that we were working with US Bank because it just moved things along a lot faster.
Yeah, you know, we went to a few open houses, and you know, we found the one.
The one. It's perfect. I'm so excited.
They were moving from an apartment into their first home. And that not only helps them, but it also helps the realtor.
Hey Lenny, it's Brittany.
Brittany, hi.
We've been looking around at a couple different houses and we found one.
Yay!
We're so excited and we can't wait to move forward and put in an offer.
Perfect. The beauty of the US Bank loan portal is that you can upload the information on your cell phone, on your laptop. It doesn't matter. Whatever is accessible to you is accessible for us. But from time to time, there may be a pending question or something that you just need an answer to, and then that's when they'll just pick up the phone and call me. The bottom line is I make myself available to their needs based on their schedule. The home loan process shouldn't be about me or about my schedule. It's about the customer.
We really love it because it was very overwhelming at first, but because of US Bank, we feel really confident that we found the house of our dreams, and we are confident in the loan that we got.
For more information, go to usbank/mortgage or designingspaces.tv.
Later, when was the last time you changed your water filter?
We all want what's best for our family. Clean air and water should be at the top of that list. But if you're not changing your air and water filters regularly, you could be making your loved ones sick. Luckily, Jen's delivery from discountfilters.com arrived just in time, which makes it even easier to keep our family healthy.
So we're at my house today, and my daughter Erin and her two friends wanted to raise money for college, so they decided to set up a lemonade stand, and they had pink and regular lemonade. But after they made the first batch, something just didn't taste right. So they brought it in and they asked me, and I tasted it, and they were right. Yeah, that doesn't taste right.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me try and change the filter, and then I'll bring you guys some more. Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
So yesterday I received my filters from discountfilters.com, and I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead, change the water filter, and see if we can taste a difference.
Filters are the key to clean air and water. We all want clean air and water, but they're typically forgotten about. Most homeowners may not know where they are, or they're just not seen, so we don't change them frequently enough.
So I've never changed the water filter before, but I just watched a quick tutorial online, and I was able to do it in like under 30 seconds. My refrigerator, I just open the top, and then I take out the old one, put in the new one, and voila, it was done.
For her refrigerator filter, Taste. She wanted better tasting water. It's called Taste.
Aaron, girls, come on, it's ready. Yes. So after I changed the filter, we mixed up a new batch, and what do you know? It did the trick.
That was so good. Here, try. Oh my gosh. Now we can charge you more.
Even if your water still tastes good, and you don't feel like it's time to change that refrigerator filter, the carbon inside that filter might be saturated for other chemicals and might be letting those through in your water. So you want to change that with a fresh, clean filter.
My family's health is very important to me, and my youngest daughter has allergies. So when I was shopping online for the water filters, I noticed that they had air filters too. And they had one that was called Allergies, so it was a no-brainer. I went ahead and got that as well. When I took out the old filter, it was really dirty, definitely gross, and I was very happy that I was able to put in the fresh, clean filter. 6 filters arrived in the box, so now we're covered for about 1.5 years.
So as soon as she signed up, we gave her a reminder. Every 3 months, she's in a program that she'll be reminded to change her air filters. Every 6 months, she's going to be reminded to change her refrigerator filters. Not only is she going to have cleaner air and water, but she's also going to have an HVAC system that's not going to have to work as hard because it's going to have a new filter, and her refrigerator's not going to have to work as hard to push clean water through.
For more information, go to designingspaces.tv or discountfilters.com. Order now and use coupon code DESIGN20 and save on your next order.
Jeannie and Kenny are first-time homeowners who have been renovating their backyard. They have laid the pavers, the sod, and are now ready to add the finishing touches just in time to entertain their friends and family this weekend. So they're off to Orchard Supply Hardware to create their dream backyard.
I'm glad we're going to look at Orchard because I've been looking at the catalog. It's got some good stuff. Gazebo.
Fire pit.
The fire pit would be nice. They had some in the catalog that I liked a lot. Table, for sure, we want to look at. Barbecue for you.
Yeah.
They're super friendly there. So we'll look, we'll see, because they've got tons of options.
Orchard Supply Hardware is part of your neighborhood and your community. They offer an amazing supply of everything you need to enjoy your home, plus unique services you won't find anywhere else, like rescreening and key cutting, tool and knife sharpening, not to mention lawnmower repair.
Good morning, welcome to Orchard Supply
Hey, how are you?
My name is Victor.
Hi, I'm Jeannie, this is Kenny.
Nice to meet you, Jeannie and Kenny. What brings you in today?
So we're redoing our backyard. I think now we just need to like accessorize it out. I want to look at patio furniture.
Well, you came to the right place.
Yeah.
I got some stuff for you over here.
All right, thanks.
This is our wicker and Sunbrella cushions.
All right.
Sunbrella is one of the also very good in the weather. It won't fade, it won't mildew.
I mean, I like kind of the jungle idea.
Let me show you some more. This is your Acacia wood.
I kind of was thinking jungle.
Let me show you our Del Rey. Our Del Rey you're gonna love.
That's like, I'm liking that.
So our Del Rey is something very different. It's aluminum that's hand painted to make that rustic kind of wood look. How about the gazebo?
Well, yes, so we get
this is perfect.
Yeah.
These are the cafe lights, the outdoor lights. We sell all different types of lights.
Yeah, I think, right? Don't you like the cafe lights? Also, is there any type of lounge chair? Because I do like to sit back there. I like this.
It's on wheels, so it makes it easy to transport wherever you want.
This is all the rest of the Del Rey, right?
Have a seat.
Okay. Oh, I think I really like this.
It's a rocker.
It's a rocker?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I have to have these. We could take these home right now. I love these cushions. The jungle. Yeah. I think it's coming together. All right, so now what's your most favorite thing you want to do?
The barbecue.
The barbecue.
Did you guys have a particular type of grill you were looking for? We carry Weber's, Charbroils, Traegers.
I kind of like this one right here.
That's actually our Weber Genesis 2 E310, so it's a 3-burner grill.
This is really cool. What's this?
That's a salt plate, so you can actually use that for cooking and for serving. There's also an assortment of accessories, rubs, sauces, if you guys wanted to take a look at any of that stuff.
Then, Philip, I think maybe this is the one.
Sounds great.
All right, great.
We can get you taken care of with the delivery.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so it's coming along pretty nicely, I think, but I could probably use a little bit of greenery.
Okay, so we can go into our nursery and get some garden decor for you out there.
Okay, and we can't forget to get solar lights too. Look at how cute these are. Maybe your mom could use a little bistro table.
Yeah.
I want to see the nursery.
Not a problem, not a problem. Let me get you with Olivia, our nursery expert out here. This is Jeannie and Kenny.
Hi, how are you?
Looking for some decorations. I'm gonna get you guys a nursery card in the meantime.
Okay, great.
The best thing about all the colors and the different flowers is that you can choose whichever ones you want. You can make your own varieties, and then at the potting bench, you can choose whatever kind of pot you like. You can choose whatever variety of plants that you like, and we'll pot them for you.
So you'll do that for us?
Yeah, exactly. We'll take that off your hands, and then we'll make a nice arrangement for you, and then all you have to do is pick a spot at your house, and that'll be its permanent home, and we'll take care of the dirty stuff.
Hi there, how are you? Hi, I'm Jeannie.
I'm Mary Kay.
Hi, nice to see you.
How can I help you?
Okay, so it's going really well. I didn't think Kenny would be on board with everything, but then I love all the flowers and he really likes all this stuff. So far, so good.
Oh, it's looking good too.
Yes, well done.
Oh, I love it. I do.
Let's put it on your plate.
Okay, great. Right, so now that we got all this stuff, we're gonna go set it up for this weekend's party.
Lay everything out.
I know, we can do it. It was great. We found everything we needed and probably more.
Awesome.
Thank you for shopping at Orchard Supply Hardware.
Thank you. Bye.
I hope it doesn't rain this weekend. So the delivery truck is here, which is very exciting. We've got a lot of great things picked out from Orchard. So we're gonna get the backyard going. We have to do a little bit of setup, but I think it's gonna be amazing tonight for the party. So I say, let's go. We love entertaining family and friends. I think everyone had a great time tonight. I think the best is yet to come, and Orchard Supply Hardware made it fun and easy. And really, the best is yet to come. For more information on anything you've seen on today's show, or to learn how you can be part of the show, go to our website, designingspaces.tv. You can visit these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces. Making a space you can call home, living the lifestyle you desire. It's what we're all about. We are Designing Spaces.